Worth it ba ang effort? Ilan sa atin na ubos ang oras pero parang wala pa rin nangyayari sa business? You see anak, the truth is, not all tasks have the same impact. Some drain your energy but give little return. Others naman may take just a few minutes pero malaki agad ang resulta. Yan mismo ang naranasan nila Jeff at ni Laika. They are a couple who operate an air conditioning installation and maintenance business. And for the longest time, Jeff would spend 2 to 3 hours personally arranging the tools, labeling parts, at minsan siya pang naglilinis ng van. Sure, everything looked neat and tidy, di ba? Pero ang tanong, did it actually bring in more customers? Halos wala. One evening, habang nagrereklamo sila about being tired and stuck, Laika asked, which of our tasks give us the best and biggest return with the least effort? And they realized something simple but powerful. Posting quick before and after photos of their installations or cleanings on social media took only 20 minutes. Pero halos weekly may bagong inquiry. That was high impact, low effort. On the other hand, Jeff naman scrubbing toolboxes himself, low impact, high effort. So they assigned one helper to take over. At ngayong meron na silang free time, Jeff and Laika shifted their focus to growth moves, offering preventive maintenance packages, connecting with property managers, and following up with happy clients for referrals. Itong mga tasks na to did not drain them, pero they created steady income and new opportunities. Kaya ang resulta, yung calendar nila was filled with bookings. Customers trusted them more and the stress level dropped. Kaya remember this lesson, anak. Don't waste your best energy on tasks that don't move your business forward. Focus on high impact and low effort activities. Tapos i-delegate nyo na yung iba. Diba? Masaya. So let's be business minded. Pinoy.